a date absolutely bursting with brilliant victories, shocking scandals, and cosmic leaps. Hello, fearless history fans, and welcome to Today in History for 30 May. We've assembled 20 astonishing tales, each guaranteed to dazzle your friends or transform your next trivia night into an epic showdown. If you're hungry for weird twists, unsung heroes, or just plain jaw-droppers, smash that subscribe button now. Buckle up, our time machine is all fired up and ready to roar. Number 20. On 30 May 1431, French heroine Joan of Arc was burned at the stake in Rouen. Her unwavering faith and battlefield prowess immortalized her as a martyred symbol of French unity. Number 19. On 30 May 1434, the Battle of Lipany saw moderate Hussites vanquish radical Taborites in Bohemia. Their victory ended decades of Hussite wars, restoring a measure of uneasy religious balance. Number 18. On 30 May 1498, Christopher Columbus departed Spain with 6 ships on his third voyage, stumbling upon South America en route. Misjudging his find, he dubbed it another Asian outpost. Number 17. On 30 May 1539, conquistador Hernando de Soto landed in Florida seeking gold and glory. His expedition's endless traipsing changed Southeastern tribes' destinies and ignited centuries of swirling colonial ambitions. Number 16. On 30 May 1574, King Charles IX of France died, marking Henry II's ascent. This Valois transition fueled fresh turmoil in France's wars of religion, leaving Europe's courts buzzing with intrigue. Number 15. On 30 May 1635, Emperor Ferdinand II and several Protestant princes signed the Peace of Prague, briefly calming the 30 Years' War. Yet, Europe's swirling alliances ensured the conflict dragged on. Number 14. On 30 May 1806, future U.S. President Andrew Jackson killed Charles Dickinson in a pistol duel. Jackson took a bullet to the chest first, then returned fire, fueling his swaggering frontier legend. Number 13. On 30 May 1814, the First Treaty of Paris restored Bourbon King Louis Cavaillon to France's throne, heralding Europe's post-Napoleonic ardor. The exiled emperor sulked, preparing one last shot at glory. Number 12. On 30 May 1854, President Franklin Pierce signed the Kansas-Nebraska Act, repealing the Missouri Compromise. Furious brawls over slavery soon raged, setting the stage for America's long, bitter march to war. Number 11. On 30 May 1868, the first Decoration Day was observed, honoring Civil War dead in national cemeteries. Renamed Memorial Day, it expanded to salute all Americans who fell in service. Number 10. On 30 May 1911, the inaugural Indianapolis 500 revved off. Race cars zoomed 500 miles around the Brickyard, enthralling speed junkies and launching a motorsport tradition that still roars today. Number 9. On 30 May 1922, the Lincoln Memorial was dedicated in Washington, D.C. Pilgrims and patriots still flocked to its towering columns and seated statue, pondering democracy's ideals under Lincoln's watchful gaze. Number 8. On 30 May 1937, a Memorial Day demonstration turned tragic in Chicago's Republic Steel Plant strike, leaving 10 dead. Dubbed the Memorial Day Massacre, it galvanized labor reforms nationwide. Number 7. On 30 May 1942, the RAF unleashed its first 1,000 bomber raid over Cologne. Wartime cityscapes rattled beneath an unprecedented aerial onslaught, foreshadowing the destructive crescendo of World War II's skyward battles. Number 6. On 30 May 1959, Auckland Harbour Bridge opened in New Zealand, uniting Auckland's North Shore with city centre. Motorists soon demanded more lanes, giving Kiwi engineers fresh cause for expansions. Number 5. On 30 May 1967, the eastern region of Nigeria seceded as the Republic of Biafra, sparking civil war. The humanitarian crisis echoed worldwide, spotlighting epic food shortages and controversial relief efforts. Number 4. On 30 May 1971, NASA's Mariner 9 launched toward Mars, aiming to orbit the red planet. It arrived months later, snapping images of Martian canyons, volcanoes, and swirling dust storms. Number 3. On 30 May 1982, Spain joined NATO, shifting Cold War balance. Spaniards debated fiercely, some cheered new alliances, others decried foreign entanglements. Nonetheless, the peninsula's strategic importance spiked as potential Atlantic gatekeeper. Number 2. On 30 May 1989, Chinese student demonstrators erected the Goddess of Democracy statue in Tiananmen Square. Their hopeful rallying symbol faced looming military crackdowns that soon shattered global illusions. Number 1. On 30 May 2020, SpaceX's Crew Dragon Demo 2 launched astronauts from U.S. soil for the first time in nearly a decade, reigniting America's cosmic ambitions and stoking fierce social media stargazing. And that's 30 May. If you're reeling from these revelations, smash that subscribe button now and brace for tomorrow's date. Rumored to feature cunning spies, comedic fiascos, and maybe a cameo from your favorite historical mastermind. Intrigued? Then don't wander far. We'll keep unearthing the wildest stories hiding in the annals of time. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and let's push history's boundaries together.